In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. A factory reset is a process that erases all data and settings from your iPhone and restores it to its original factory settings. This is useful when you want to sell your iPhone or if you are experiencing issues with your phone and need to start fresh. So let's get started. And the first step is to back up your iPhone data. Before you begin the factory reset, it's important to back up your data, and you can do it by going to Settings, then hit right here at your name, then iCloud and iCloud Backup. Then tap on Backup Now, hit at Continue, and this will save all your data, including photos, videos, contacts, and other important files to your iCloud account. You can also back up your data to your computer using iTunes. Once you've backed up your data, it's important to sign out of your iCloud account. This is necessary to avoid any issues with your phone when it's wiped clean. To do this, hit at the back key 2 times to go to Apple ID, then scroll down for a bit and hit at Sign Out, and enter your Apple ID password. Now that you have backed up your data and signed out of iCloud, it's time to erase your content and settings on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, General, scroll down to the very bottom and hit at Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. And then hit at Continue and go through all of the steps to safely erase this iPhone. After your iPhone has been reset, it will take some time to start it up again. You'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone, including choosing your language, country, and Wi-Fi network. You can then restore your data from your iCloud backup or iTunes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.